Hey guys, welcome back. I'm popping on to do a layout for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club, and I am using this amazing kit called Epic Page Kit by Meridy Twilling. It has some fab cocoa vanilla no limits in it. Yay! I have got some simple stories paper. I have cardstock going on. I've got this big old chipboard sheet, which is like just awesome. Let's see, what else do I have? I've got this cut file that I'm going to use. It's from the a la carte section. I'm really vibing on that. You'll see my plan there. What else? I've got a Creamies and Dandelion, which is an amazing color match. I will have that on standby. What else am I super excited about here? Oh, guys, I've got these acrylic pieces that were all a la carte. I want to have them out on my desk because I think I'm using them. We'll see. I've got some really great washi, enough washi to use for every layout for years, as well as some really fab sequins. And these sequins have these little clay pieces that are so cute. Okay, I talked really fast because I was way too excited. So I have those things. I'm really excited there. I also have this cut file, but I think I'm going to use the one that looks like bubbles to me. And there's these other pieces that I could use for a la carte, but I think I know the two a la carte bits to start. I love this piece right here. It's a boat, and my photo has my daughter and her boyfriend in a boat. So I think I'm gonna use that. And I'm hedging towards using this fishy. I think they're great. These were designed, I believe, to go with the Simple Stories Save Cheese collections. And I say I can use them with whatever I want because they're not the boss of me. So there. So that's what I was thinking. So let me show you. I'm going to get my pieces out really quick. And then I will talk to you about my photo. And then I got to come up with the designs. So this is my photo. This is my daughter, Shay. This is her boyfriend, Nick. If you take a look at her swimsuit bottom, it reminded me so very much of this Cocoa Vanilla No Limits paper that is called Latitude. So I was like, hey, that's going to be my background because it just is. Okay, so I have that. I'm going to cut apart my bubblies. I've decided for my purposes that they look like bubbles. Now, what I have to decide is how I want to mat this. You know what? This Simple Stories paper right here, which is called, oh, actually it's not Simple Stories. It is the Cocoa Vanilla No Limits Nebula. When I put that there, it brings out this really cool color in the lake water. It totally grabs it. So must do what it says to do. I've got this, and now what I need to see is with these cardstocks that I have, they're rather nifty, by the way. Do I want to have a little, oh, I think I do. Yes. I want to have a nice little separator kind of a mat. So I'm going to go ahead and double mat it. I think that would be awesome to figure out where I'm going to cut this because I want it in a couple different places and definitely around my photo because they're going to have bubbles. I've got to pick some inks that I like to paint in my fish and my boat. That will be great. So I'm going to do a few things to do with those things, and I'll be right back. So super quick check-in. I did go ahead and cut that cut file in two and tucked in the pieces that were a little jagged under the photo. And to me, it's like perfect bubbles for this lake boating kind of layout. Now I have to go find some inks that will work for my little bits. I'm gonna have my fishy, I think right there would be hilarious. And then this boat is kind of heavy though. I'm wondering, although I love fishy right there, definitely want to get the boat in here. I'm wondering if I want to do a tiny bit of tucking with the boat. I think I do. And that means I'll just have to take a little bit of this adhesive out of the equation. All right, I'm going to get some Distress Oxides, ink them up really quickly, and I'll be right back. So I have my little wood veneer pieces all painted up with my Distress Oxides. I'm letting them dry, and then I'll go ahead and take off the little bits, the masking bits, but aren't they cute? So the colors I used Stormy Sky and Tumbled Glass. Did I use Tumbled Glass? I know I used Stormy Sky. I have Dried Marigold, Ripe Persimmon, Shabby Shutters, Bundled Sage, and Speckled Egg. I did not use Tumbled Glass. Okay, so I used 6 Distress Oxides just because I was having fun painting things in. Okay, so I have that. Now what I need to do is start auditioning all these other bits and pieces. The other thing I want to do really quickly is I have this piece here by Cocoa Vanilla, the No Limits collection. Again, Nebula. I want to cut out a bunch of the stars so that I can have them as part of this little diagonal vibe. So I have all these pieces placed down. Nothing is glued down yet. It's fine. The next thing I need to do is pick out these cute little wonky circles and find spots within my clusters to tuck them as well, like that. I think that's really fun. I like the arrows, so I'll see about the arrows and some extra stars. So let's get these little wonky circles. They might be planets, I'm not quite sure. And we'll pop them here and there, and it'll just be good plain fun. Let's see, I'm popping little bits here and there. I love this U-Rock. I'm just trying to decide what kind of arrow. You know, I like this strong white because I was trying to have, you know, that's why I left the cut file white. So I think we'll do that because that's just super fun. Cute. All right, what other little bits? Now I do want to get a couple of these stars in, and then I'm going to glue everything down, guys. After that point, I've got some sequins, some splatty bits, and we're going to call it done, but I'm going to keep adding to my little areas. I'm trying, I don't know. I don't want 4 complete clusters. So I'm just doing bits and bits and bits. It sounds like kibbles and bits. Okay, let's see this. Oh goodness, let me get this little tiny yellow star. That's cute out of here. Come on, little guy. He's cute. And, ooh, let's see. I'm trying to kind of vary the colors a little bit because, yeah, I don't want all orange with orange and all that kind of stuff. Oh, I love this denim blue little star. So yeah, I'm gonna pop these little bits in these clusters, glue it all down, get some sequin action glued down, and then I'll come back and we'll do splatty bits. So I went ahead and got some water into my Dandelion Creamies. Let me go ahead and cover my photo really quickly. And I just thought we'd do some splatty bits because this is like this happy, sunshiny, cute color. And this is a super cheap paintbrush. I'm telling you guys, these work so well. So let's see. Just some splatty bits here, there, and everywhere. I will have still shots in a moment, and I'll have the links down below for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club website, for the Facebook group, as well as the blog. So you can see all kinds of inspiration from the rest of the design team with all of these same goodies I've been using this month. Okay, a little bit more splatty bits. I'm gonna let it dry and I'll get some photos up, and the still shots will be right there.